Hey guys, it's Andrew. We're back with another project. So we completed a 3-season vinyl film room. Let's go take a look. When we first got here, the customers, they had these wooden posts that were kind of starting to warp, and some of them were slightly tilted or off-center. Initially, we had discussed about changing some of those wood posts, but the customers decided that it would be a good idea to go ahead and just completely replace them with aluminum posts. And that's usually what we recommend. Obviously, with wood posts, you have to do maintenance, you have to retouch it, you have to repaint it every couple of years. Then it looks like one complete system. So let me show you. So I'll just kind of walk through the whole project with you guys and explain. So obviously, like I mentioned, we've got the aluminum posts. Before there were wood posts here, so we replaced all of the posts with aluminum all the way around. We've got the 4-track vinyl film windows. So these ones are open right now, so you've got a nice airflow circulating through the space. So we've got 2 on this side, and we've got 5 windows on this side. And if you may notice, some of them are slightly different sizes, so that's not a problem. Everything is custom built, so regardless of the width between the posts, we can make it fit. So we've got the 5 windows, we've got the door here, which also has the 4-track system that's opened up, and then we have a fixed vinyl film transom above. So if you see the space right now, all of the windows and the door open, so when you're standing in there, it feels really cool. You can actually feel the nice breeze circulating through the space. Not related to our project, but I thought it was pretty cool. The customers can actually turn on and turn off their water fountain through Alexa. So I want to figure out how that works, might get one myself. So with these kind of spaces, there are a couple main leak prone areas, and we take extra care to seal those to make sure that there are no leaks or anything else coming through. So one of those areas is going to be right here against the brick. You can't see it from the inside, but if we take a look at the outside, there's a thick seal on the outside, so nothing will get through there. Same with the wall on that side as well. It's perfectly flush, and then we put a seal in between the system and the brick here so that nothing gets through. The actual door itself, it's got a thick rubber gasket, so nothing gets through at the bottom here. And the actual system itself, it's completely flush to the ground, and it's secured, it's fully sealed in and caulked as well. So nothing gets through underneath. The water, rain, pollen, when the windows are closed, this area is completely sealed up. As I mentioned, the windows are all down right now. So you have 75% airflow because there's 4 vents. Obviously right now in North Carolina, I don't know if you can see the sweat on my forehead, but it's about 100 degrees outside, so it's super hot. So obviously opening up the windows lets the air come through, otherwise the space can get pretty warmed up. So sometimes there's some challenges. For example, like I mentioned, there were wood posts that were warped. A good contractor will know how to handle those type of challenges and work around them and suggest the best solution to make the space feel good and last as long as longevity. So another thing the customer did, they put this solar powered lamp up here that turns on automatically when someone walks outside. So for space like this, obviously they've got some furniture in here and they're now working on beautifying the space. What's cool is when it's fully enclosed, you can customize it however you like. You can put furniture, you can put tables, you can put TVs. There's a lot of other things that you can beautify the space with, but that way you have an enclosed space that you can actually keep those things out there without worrying about them getting destroyed by the elements. So a little bit of a behind the scenes look at what we do. After we complete every project, I'll go and I'll film drone footage. I'm a fully licensed pilot with the FAA for commercial drone operations. Being a family-owned business, we take a lot of pride in our work. Obviously, we want to make sure that we do a great job on every job and that it looks beautiful when we're finished. And we're so proud of our work that we want to go and record every one to show you guys. So I think that speaks volumes about a contractor when they're proud of their work, they want to show it off. So just a little bit about us. So if you've got a similar space or you have a space that may have some problems and you're not sure what to do with it, give us a call. We've got a lot of experience at figuring out how to best work around those and suggest the best solution. So happy to come talk with you. Give us a call.